The key to a good plan is to have a good backup plan.
Weren't you just fired from Team Rocket because your last plan failed miserably?
Uniforms tell me you're not from Alola. Where are you from?
Kanto, you masked dork!
What's a Kanto?
You're dumber than you look! Much to ask after enduring enough humiliation to last 9 lives for me to be the one to call the boss to bear him these good tidings? I may be a Pokemon, but for your information, I still got feelings, and I want to make that cool. I could eat this big ol' apple by myself. Pika. Besides, stuff always tastes better when you share it with somebody you know.
Yes, sir. This is an Alola for Meowth.
Oh. When you've acquired your data, report back. And don't forget.
Understood!
Right away! I don't like this dummy. This isn't gonna work.
But it feels so warmish and good.
There's nothing quite like a little comfy sunshine snooze.
We came here because we're supposed to find the twice, but all you do is nap!
Distinctly uttered Hikachu, followed by Hika Hika.
I want an explanation!
I'll give it to you straight. I tried and I tried, but its robo-tongue just doesn't get Pika's peak.
Statue! Stars! And then actresses moi!
Did she say vivacious?
That'll be the day.
Phone booth? What is that?
Hold the phone! You mean to say this kid doesn't know what a phone booth is? We're not that old, are we? Come on, baby, don't say maybe! Please go out on a date with me and make me a happy Pokemon!
You see, Purloin's a guy.
Hello? You're supposed to be out there grabbing Pikachu, you big overgrown caterpie! Can you take a joke? We're in the forest.
I have eyes! I can see that! I want the name of this forest!
If I knew that, we wouldn't be wandering around completely lost.
True.